Hi, I'm Jodi Cooper.
And I'm Lisa Smith.
And we're with Century 21 Country Lake Homes.
And we're coming to you today from 201 Terrace Heights, and that's just outside of Homestead, Pennsylvania in the beautiful Pocono Mountains.
This home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a lower level living room for additional space.
Now, this is all situated on just 1 acre of land, and it's just minutes away from historic downtown Homestead. Let's take a look inside.
We can go ahead and get started here in the lower level, where we have a conveniently located large closet. Keep all your coats and shoes. And over here, we have a 1-car garage, spacious. And across the hall, we have a great workshop where you could tinker with your toys, or it would be a great place for a timeout for your significant other.
So beyond the workshop and the garage area, you have your lower level living area, which is amazing. Now the focal point is the stone fireplace. Over here, it is propane, so it's easy to light. And use your imagination to furnish this room. Now what I see is a huge pool table right here. And then over on this back wall is having a huge flat screen TV. And then just furniture going this way. And then use the space here, nice recessed area where you can put a bar, some chairs, sit and have some great conversation with your friends, or watch the game on the big TV. So coming off the lower level, you do have another full bathroom complete with a stand-up shower, and also in this bathroom, you have the washer and dryer hookup area.
You walk into this kitchen, all you can say is, wow. You have gorgeous granite countertops, beautiful gas oven and range, even a warmer here for the bigger meals. Keep everything warm while you're cooking. Large bay window to grow all your herbs or flowers. Looks out over almost an acre of private land. Over here we have the dining area where you can picture maybe a nice large farmhouse table. Walks right out to the 3-season room for your outdoor meals or just sitting and checking out your beautifully landscaped backyard.
Now on the other side of the kitchen wall, you're going to come into the living room area. It has a beautiful large bay window, lets all the natural sunlight in. It does feature hardwood floors. Now use your imagination to see how you'd furnish this to maximize the space that you have. Now, as you come down the hallway off the living room, you have your access to the attic right here, and it features 4 bedrooms. Now, all of the bedrooms and the hallway have hardwood floors, which is great. Each bedroom does have its own different dimensions, so some are larger than others, so you can kind of have fun figuring out who gets what room. And then before you come down to the second set of bedrooms, you have a nice linen closet here, perfect for your sheets and towels. And at the very end of the hallway, what you're going to see next is an amazing, beautifully tiled bathroom. At the end of the hallway, you're going to find a very unique and sophisticated bathroom, complete with a wonderful archway. And you'll see the custom designed sink area with a beautiful glass bowl and a unique faucet. And at the end, in the shower area, it's fit for a king with multiple shower heads going throughout. Well, if you'd like to schedule a tour to see this house in person or get some more information, you can call Jodi Cooper at 570-604-0336 or call me, Lisa Smith, at 570-499-3560. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you know someone who's looking for a home like this, please share it with them. We do appreciate you watching. And as always, make it a great day.